Imagine this, a highly advanced civilization, thriving on Earth millions of years before humans ever existed. Could it be possible? What if the history we think we know is just the tip of the iceberg, hiding secrets of a forgotten past? Welcome to the intriguing world of the Silurian Hypothesis, a theory that challenges everything we know about our planet's history. In this video, we'll dive into this speculative idea, explore potential evidence, and ask the big question: could an advanced civilization have existed on Earth long before us? The Silurian Hypothesis, named after the ancient Silurian era, isn't a sci-fi plot. It's a real scientific discussion. It was first proposed by astrophysicists Adam Frank and Gavin Schmidt, who questioned whether it would be possible to detect an advanced civilization in Earth's deep past. We're talking about millions, even hundreds of millions of years ago. The idea stems from the fact that Earth has undergone several massive changes: ice ages, asteroid impacts, volcanic eruptions, events that could easily erase nearly all traces of a civilization over such vast timescales. But let's pause here. If an advanced civilization did exist, when could they have lived? Earth is around 4.5 billion years old, and life has been around for at least 3.5 billion years. However, complex life forms didn't start appearing until about 600 million years ago. This leaves us with an immense period, with potential gaps in the fossil record, where an advanced civilization might have developed and disappeared, leaving almost no trace. So, what kind of evidence could we expect to find from a civilization that lived so long ago? Here's where things get tricky. The Earth's crust is constantly recycling itself. Volcanic activity, plate tectonics, erosion. All these processes could destroy or deeply bury evidence. However, certain types of traces might survive. Consider plastics, synthetic chemicals, or radioactive materials. Things that don't break down easily and might persist in the geological record. Could the odd anomalies we occasionally find in Earth's strata be more than just natural phenomena? What if they're the remnants of ancient technology? There are also unusual artifacts that spark debate. Objects like the London Hammer or the Antikythera mechanism have puzzled scientists and fuel speculation about ancient advanced technologies. While mainstream science often provides rational explanations, the what-if questions continue to linger, feeding into the Silurian Hypothesis. Now, let's dive into the debate. Skeptics argue that if an advanced civilization did exist, we should find more clear-cut evidence: cities, structures, or widespread artifacts. Yet, the argument persists that time, nature, and perhaps even the civilization's own actions could have wiped out these traces. Some scientists suggest we might need to look beyond the traditional archaeological methods and consider alternative ways of detecting such a civilization, like looking for signs in isotopic anomalies or unusual planetary biomarkers. But here's the million-dollar question. If we did find evidence, what would it mean for our understanding of history? Would we have to rewrite the story of life on Earth? And more importantly, what implications would this have for our understanding of civilization itself, both past and future? So, is the Silurian Hypothesis just another wild conspiracy theory? Or is it a provocative idea that challenges us to rethink what we know about our planet? The truth may be buried deep beneath our feet, or perhaps lost to time entirely. But one thing's for sure: the possibility of a forgotten advanced civilization on Earth sparks the imagination and raises more questions than answers. What do you think? Could there be ancient secrets waiting to be uncovered? Let me know in the comments below, and let's continue this debate.